So today I'll be showing you how to scan documents with your OnePlus 15. Now this is very simple. You can do that directly from the camera app. So launch the camera app, and in the camera app you want to scroll on this menu until you get to more, and then from the more options you'll see doc scanner. So that opens up the document scanner. If it's the first time, it might require you to update the plugins necessary for this. So just hit download and update. It's gonna get downloaded, and that's it. So now just put your viewfinder onto the image. Make sure the image is lying flat on a flat surface, and then you want to put your camera viewfinder on top of it. And once it's steady and as straight as you can, just hit the shutter button and it's going to get captured. And then you can move on to the next page of that document. If it's a multi-page document, this one I'm going to try with 2 pages. So second page, there it is. Make sure that blue outline is all around the image, and then hit the shutter button again. Give it time and it's going to get captured. Now once you finish capturing, you can go to the next step, and this is where you can see a preview of your document. Okay, so here's the first page and the second page. Now from here you can enhance these images using AI if you want to. It's currently going to do that by default, trying to basically make them as clear as possible. You can see that looks very, very sharp. So if you don't want the image to be enhanced, you can leave it at original. Anyway, once you finish that, just hit export and then choose export as PDF because it's a document, and you can allow scan to send you notifications. Just tap on allow, and that's it. Our document should be ready. You can now choose how you want it to be opened, either using Google Drive, which opens PDFs by default, or the Internet PDF viewer for OnePlus. Or if you have another app, you can simply select it. So this is my document. So you can see the the 2-page document is right here, ready to go. From here, you can tap on the share button, and then you can share either using quick share or Gmail or messages, or you can go to save to my files option, select that and save it to the my files app, save it to your phone. So I'm going to choose a folder. I'm just going to go back to the documents folder and just save it here. Simple as that. And that's how to scan documents on your OnePlus 15. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.